Last time when we launched workshop registration, more than 350 people have registered. Over the past 2 months, we have successfully completed the workshop for all of them. Now we are launching new registration for next 9 batches, and the link can be found in the description. Hi, this is R Sundar. Many technical analysts were saying that Nifty will be retesting 7,500 once again. And there is a hot discussion going on. And some people say Bank Nifty will be coming to 10,000. But even Nifty is not trading at 10,000. So many people can come out with so many hypotheses. I do not know what technical those people are following to say 7,500 will be coming again. If they think that history will repeat, and I am going to show you some history. Many people even ask me, sir, which one will come first, 7,500 or 11,500? Forget about 11,500. Now I am asking you, which one will come first, 7,500 or 15,000? In my opinion, 15,000 will come first, not the 7,500. Let us look back the 2008 crisis, which is called Lehman Brothers collapse, Great Recession. So that time, the Nifty has fallen to a low of about 2,500. And that has happened in October 2008. A bottom was formed around 2,500. But during the next 1 year, the same way, now people are saying 7,500 will be coming. The same way, so many people were telling 2,500 will come again. But next 1 year, after forming a bottom, the Nifty actually shot up more than 100% in 1 year time. I can show you from here in the chart, and you can see this is the October 2008 monthly candle, and you can see the bottom is 2,252. So Nifty almost went to 2,200. That's a low formed in the October candle. And then next year October candle, you can see here, that is 2009 October, Nifty was trading around 4,700, from almost 2,200 to 4,700, which is almost 100% higher. And second thing, you can see from the chart, the low formed during the Lehman Brothers collapse has never been tested once again. Forget about the low. Even the closing low was tested only in the next subsequent 1 or 2 months. And once the high of that monthly candle crossed, you can see here, the high of the 2008 October candle, once it is crossed, even that high has not been tested once again. Now coming here, this is the coronavirus candle. Once again, it's a very big candle. The low formed, and even the closing low was tested in the following month, and now the markets are recovering, and the high of that coronavirus candle is 11,400. In case if market crosses 11,400, probably even the 11,400 will not be tested again if the history has to repeat. There are some differences. During Lehman Brothers collapse, Nifty actually fell more than 50%. So that could be one reason the recovery was 100% in 1 year. But this time, the Nifty did not fall more than 50%. So the recovery may not be 100% in 1 year. But what does that matter, whether it's 80% or 100%? From 7,500, we are already more than 35% higher. So logically speaking, if you ask me which one will come first, 7,500 or 15,000, and I will tell you the 15,000 will come first. But it may not come in 1 year time, like it happened in 2009. In 2009, it came in 1 year time, but that may not come now. But let it come in 1.5 years or 2 years. Now, coronavirus is almost at the peak in India. At the height of the coronavirus, we are not at the bottom of the trading range. The bottom is 7,500. Now we are above 10,500 when the coronavirus is peak. And going forward, there are many countries, France, Spain, Italy. So coronavirus at some point of time peaked out and then it has come down. And it may happen in India in the next 1 or 2 months. So coronavirus is not going to be here forever, and even if it is here forever, and we will find a way to live our life with coronavirus. That is not the end of the life for everybody. So the economy will revive. So my point here is that there is no reason to be too pessimistic. I always say I agree with the horoscope, but I do not agree with the people who are looking at the horoscope because it is subject to their interpretation. The same way, I am not against technical analysis, but I may not support all the technical analysts because their subjectivity comes. Here I have shown the chart and how the markets behaved in 2008 crisis, how the markets behaved in 2020 crisis, how the market behaved after 2008 crisis, and how we are likely to perform after the 2020 crisis. There are people who ask me, sir, will Nifty come to 8,500 or 7,500? I missed, sir, and I have a lot of money, I want to invest. I always tell the people, right time to invest is when you have a surplus cash. Right time to exit is when you need the money. If you are waiting for the right opportunity to invest, that opportunity will never come. Let me tell you once again, for one or the other reason, even if Nifty comes to 7,500 and all the technical analysts will tell you that market will come to 6,000. So, whether it's a good time or bad time, the good stocks will always perform better. And every kind of market condition, there are some stocks will be outperforming. Coronavirus, lockdown, people are at home, but IT stocks are likely to do well. That's because people can work from home. So the opportunities are always there. Look for the opportunity, capture the opportunity. And don't listen to the people, the doomsayers, They will be coming to 7,500, 2,500. Even one guy said, Nifty will be coming to 900. Right? So thanks for watching. Be optimistic. Thank you.